butter. Yeah, this baby ain't coming off.
Oh God, I need help.
Let's get some butter upstairs.
Get some butter. Get something. Ow! Ow!
Okay, come on.
Ow!
I just been going. We need butter. It's gonna be really hard. It's not gonna melt. I don't even notice.
Wait, cut a thin strip and then slip it underneath.
Don't rub it in there with your knife. This is a funny story. Tell your father what happened. Mr. T, your son has pretty princess rings stuck on his finger. This thing greasing up.
Lube it up.
Ew! Don't say that.